Excel has introduced a new function, %of, not yet available to all Excel users, but eventually it will be. It's not the game changer, let's say a function like XLOOKUP is, but it's an important function in the sense that it does provide some documentation for certain kinds of formulas. Not everybody works with percent change all the time, but that's its primary use. Let's start with a simple example not using the function, then contrast it with the function. And this first example is likely to be a little bit weak, but it opens the door to how we might use this function. We've got some entries, some sales entries in cells B2 through B7. We simply want to, starting in February, calculate the sales change. Standard way to do this is to calculate the difference here, divide by the January entry, so equal, and we'll subtract these two. Need to put that within parentheses so that it happens before the division. B3 minus B2 divided by B2. And there's our answer. And we want to format that as a %. There it is on the Home tab, %, and a decimal probably in most cases. A little bit of analysis here shows that we actually could shorten this. We could do B3 divided by 2 minus 1. And we're going to get the same answer. And that's a little shorter. So that's reasonable. I'll double click the fill handle in the lower right-hand corner. That copies it down the column. Now, using %of equal P, when I use this, I type equal P and I see it in the list and double click. Just saves me some typing time. So in this case, we put in B12, comma, B11, right parenthesis, minus 1. And again, I'm not suggesting that's any clearer than what we did earlier, but we get the same answer. And here too, I'll double click that fill handle in the corner and make it be % like we did up above. To remind us what we did here in both cases here, I'll use that formula text function equal FO, there it is right there, formula text, just to point out what the formulas are in column C. There we are. Now, a better use of this is what we're seeing, and more common use perhaps, is the idea here that we want to know what percentage of our half-year total here is represented by the January numbers. So equal the January entry divided by the sum of all these entries. And since we will be copying that down the column, that needs to be an absolute reference. We don't want that address to change. So we can press the function key F4, right parenthesis, enter, and we'll copy that down the column by double-clicking, and here too, % button, increase the decimal, we've got some answers. Now, in cell L11, we want to do the same kind of thing. Here we will use %of, and the data we're talking about is right here, comma, but we don't have to put in the sum function. Just refer to these cells here. That does need to be an absolute reference. We'll press F4 and enter. We've got the same result. We haven't formatted it yet. Once again, double clicking. There we go in %. And here too, we can just take one of these entries here, copy it over here to remind us what the formula is doing in both cases here. And we'll copy that down here too. So it's more concise in this case here too. And again, it gets to the idea of what we're doing. What % is that K11 of all those numbers there? Now, on the next worksheet, perhaps as a more common example, we simply want to know the % of quota that's been reached here. Here's the quota, here's sales, columns D, columns E. We want to use %of here, equal P, %. What does this sales number represent as a % of the quota? And we're hoping it's 100, or let's say the goal is 100 or more. Enter, there we are, and there too. We'll format it. And you can see, of course, the sales did not reach the quota, but it's 95.8%. As I double click and copy this down the column, and it's a large list, we can immediately see those who have reached the quota and those who have not. And we could certainly do some conditional formatting to enhance that display even more. So all in all, this %of function, I think best in this example here, gives us a quick read on what's happening with a calculation, perhaps more clearly in many cases than simply using division and algebraic looking functions. The new %of function.